welcome to Naija Tori Unlimited, where we dey yarn una information wey dey happen for Naija, for we country Naija, as e dey hot, as e dey trend, na we dey bring am. We get news now wey dey trend right now as we dey talk for Nigeria, and we dey talk about Amotekun. IPOB don comment say southwestern governors dem do well for as dem take bring Amotekun security outfit wey dey protect southwestern states, and dem don use style also. Dem don hammer Ohanaeze, dem don call dem so many names. Make una follow us see wetin dem call dem and wetin dem bin talk for this our news. But before we enter into the tori proper, if na the first time wey una dey see this we channel, make una no comot like that o. Make una help me click on the red subscribe button so that together we go grow this place. No forget also to click on the red the bell icon so that as soon as we bring information for we channel, una go follow us see am. Una go follow rub mind as e dey happen for we country Nigeria. Make we enter tori proper. The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, on Saturday bin talk say they don talk say southwestern governors dem bin do well as they take start this operation Amotekun. Na organization wey dey protect the people wey dey stay for southwestern states. Dey protect them, their property also. And IPOB people don say they don do well as they take establish, as they start that organization. IPOB also don talk say they like their ruggedness, as they no gree, they just get mad. Even so things they rough for we country, they no send, they still open, go ahead, come open the thing. They no send wetin the opposition wan talk concerning their matter. Don't forget say the people wey bin make up this Amotekun na 6 governors wey bin put hand together say this wahala wey dey come for southwestern state don too much. They come put hand together, come talk say make dem create a security organization. They come call am Amotekun. IPOB spokesperson in the person of Emma Powerful don talk say dem the global family of IPOB, they don greet with their oga wey dem call indomitable leader. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don greet southwestern governors, their elders, their stakeholders, and all the politicians wey no gree say make bad thing happen to their people, come open security outfit wey dem give Amotekun, wey go help them fight issue of Fulani terrorism wey herdsmen dey follow do that place. And according to them, they say even Nigerian government jihad soldiers too wey dey follow dey fight the whole thing, say dem do wey dem bring Amotekun enter for the position. They no stop there. They become continue say that this is no be the first time wey this kind of thing wan happen. Say no be even the first time wey the prophecy wey the prediction wey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, their indomitable leader, don talk about. He say make dem no forget say wetin Bishop Coker bin talk about this whole thing, say e no far from the truth. Say their leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don talk about this thing no be today, no, e don dey talk am come since. Dem bin think say na wrong thing in dey talk. You don follow see am. He say make we talk true. They say even wetin Bishop Kuko bin talk about the issue of Fulani herdsmen, say Yoruba vigilante wey they don form OPC, they are also reasoning on the same line. No forget say before them be produce Amotekun, no be Yoruba bin first produce this thing, this security outfit. Dem bin talk say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don open something like that wey dem call BSS in 2017. Say e been good thing, but only say saboteurs do not allow the thing to see the light of day. He call the thing BSS. May I feel say the name go be Biafra Security Services. As it don't be now, they no be allow the thing see light of day. He say even the same saying surprise, according to Emma Powerful, say surprise say Ohanaeze dem wey dey do corner bend come follow come and come dey support, come dey tell southwestern governors say dem do well. Say no be them still with collaboration with the southeastern governors forum, say dem actively come follow the waka with Fulani corner bend wey dey come stop the launching of BSS wey for today for make sense for the Igbo people. Now they come for behind now, come open mouth dey talk say Yoruba people say dem do well for the Amotekun project wey they don been open. So many things things wey dem yarn. Dem come talk say well, as they don see so say now their eye don open, e no stop there o. Dem come look finish come say dem no even get shame. They say these people no even bin get shame, say because of envy and jealousy towards their IPOB by some political class, they no gree them reason well. They no stop. They come tell say for the so-called jealous people, tell them good morning o, as in now na morning reach, make them well done. Una don follow us see wetin dem talk for this matter. This thing don turn issue wey no be small matter at all. You don follow see say gbege don enter, and e come be like say their leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bin dey use spiritual eye dey see things, something wey be don dey plan come since 2017. Like say Noli am be lone soldier, only am dey shout say see wetin dey happen, see wetin dey happen. E come be like say Noli am dey see wetin no other person dey see. Today Southwesterners don follow join. They don get their own Amotekun. We no know whether Igbo go follow do their own too. As e don be say BSS, they don be scrap am. That time when they be open am 2017, they don scrap am. Me I been hear say for another tori wey I been hear the other place, they talk say they bin open the one wey they call Ogbunigwe. They say the name wey they wan give up, but now honestly the people they wan organize that one. Oh, they say they wan first of all go through processes. They say they wan go see the National Assembly, and wan go see other things. They wan open Ogbunigwe. I don't know whether that one go work, because this one wey be say BSS be no work in 2017. Shey e go still work again? Now we never know. So make una no stop there. Una don see wetin dey happen, whether Igbo own go get head, but I know say very soon others go follow. Don't forget say even the northern elders say they wan open their own too. Otherwise you say they wan open their own to make everybody begin dey open. I can't dey wonder if all of us dey open, so which will come be the work of police, which one be the work of army. As these local people don dey collect, as e don be now, they don open border everywhere. We don enter visa free. Wey say if you enter, no collect visa, just come, we go give you, come enter we country. Make we no keep our eyes dey look anya. Make people no spoil we country for us. They don do well. As Southwestern governors, as they put hand together, so say they wan protect their people. They no even talk say this one na PDP or this one na APC. They say no, to get that we go follow protect our people. They don't do as select Yoruba people. They talk say this one they call them wetin be that better name they give themselves. They call them Omoluabi. Oluabi is the Yoruba people, they don't do their own. The Yoruba they call themselves Omoluabi. The Oluabis them, they don't do their own. Would they want to make Ndi Igbo so follow do their own? Let us see if them go do the one way to unanimously, whether their governors go follow hard hand as the governors of Southwest follow hard hand do their own. Make we see whether Southeast too go follow hard hand, their governors go hard hand, whether they go open the, maybe they go be Ogbunigwe, or if you no go be Ogbunigwe, you go be Ogbunatonda. Let us see how it go good. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside that, una go see the red subscribe button. Make una no look at my nya. But una help make our ministry move forward to permanent side. Una do well. God bless una. As una they do so, una do well done.